pipe some chocolate butterflies. I've got some melted compound, which I'm just going to pour in my little paper bag. And I intend to use paper bag because I think it's easier to control when you pipe with your fingers. If working with a plastic bag might be a bit difficult. Now I'm going to trim the end of the bag a little bit, and then just go over the plastic sleeve and then just start piping the wings. Now I really want to connect all the lines. So if I put all those curls, I just want to make sure that they connect. Now what's a bit tricky is that your hand might not slide properly on the acetate paper. But as long as you make it to look okay, that will be fine. Just trying to kind of connect all those curved lines to make sure that the butterfly doesn't collapse. And I can do another set in here. The more you do, the easier it will get, as your hand will get used with the movement, and also the chocolate will start setting, so it will not be so runny. So if you really aim for a great looking butterfly, you should try to pipe more instead of just getting stuck to piping one and expect that one to look wonderful. Okay. Okay, and the same in here. Obviously you can find different patterns and then just play around and see which one you like the most. Okay, good. So I'm going to put those wings in the fridge to set. Just before doing that, I think I'm going to try one of my flowers as well, starting with the center and then just outlining the rest. There is no rule on how to pipe. You can do them like full circles or ovals, or just do the top shape and then just keep building the design. Okay, and then just keep just making sure that they're all connected. That's the whole thing, that if they are connected, the full piece will have enough strength to get detached from the surface and then obviously be transferred onto onto a dessert. Okay, and again I can just pipe in here one more wing that if I want. So see the more you pipe, the more control you get over the chocolate. And okay, and then one more in here, just to make sure that we've got enough in case that some will break. We'll still be able to ensemble. Okay, that's good. So they will just go in the fridge and then we'll carry on attaching them. Now that they came out from the fridge, while they are still cold, I will try to get them attached, just pushing them, and then obviously stuck the wings with some candy melt or chocolate, whatever you use. I'm just trying to support. As alternatively, I will have to just put that into the fridge. Okay. Maybe just trying to support what I will stick the other ones. Oh, probably the other ones will not stick so well because the chocolate now got kind of at the room temperature. But yeah, very easy to pick and to transfer. But just bear in mind that those pieces will melt super quick. So if you really want them to get stuck together, then you'll have to put them back in the fridge to get cold before attempting to shape the wings as a butterfly. What you also have to be careful is that when you keep your hands, if you keep your hands too much, your body temperature being like 37 or slightly above, it will also cause the chocolate to melt. So just be aware about the temperatures. But at least that gave us an idea about what we can create and what we can do. Just trying to see if I can detach this butterfly. Yeah. So, and I can just put it all over. Oh, see, it's starting to get super warm and my hands